In this video, I'll show you how to use 2 AI platforms to create amazing content and promote Amazon products worldwide by using YouTube Affiliate. Let's get your channel up and running as a money-making machine, starting today. Interested to learn? Stay tuned at the end of this video. Let's go. Step 1. Understanding the barrier. I thought of a way to make this concept even better. You've probably heard about TikTok's affiliate program where people make lots of money, but not everyone can join. So, YouTube got jealous and launched its own program. However, there are barriers in joining the YouTube affiliate program. To join, your channel needs over 10,000 subscribers, you must be in the YouTube Partner Program, and you need to live in the US or Korea. These rules left me feeling down, but I found a way to overcome these rules, which I will be sharing later. So, keep your minds active. Step 2. Selecting a niche and creating a channel. Let's start by picking what we want to focus on. There are lots of options like animals, golf, or cooking. If you're not sure, you can check out Amazon's categories for ideas. For this video, I'm going with pets. After choosing a focus, the next step is to create a YouTube channel about it. I used ChatGPT to help come up with a name for the channel, and we decided on Purr and Barks, which is great for pets. I quickly made a picture and banner for the channel, and just like that, it was ready to go. I just made a YouTube channel. Step 3. Finding and promoting affiliate products. Next, we need to find a product in our chosen niche to promote as an affiliate. Amazon is a great choice because it's trusted worldwide. It's easier to promote their products, especially with the techniques I'll share later. Here's how I find successful Amazon products. Go to Google and search for Amazon movers and shakers. Choose your niche category, like pet supplies in this case. This shows you trending products with the biggest sales gains in the last 24 hours. For example, let's say you're interested in a dog protection spray. Use the site stripe at the top to copy your unique affiliate link and start earning commissions. Now, how do you get your Amazon affiliate link? Go to Google and search for Amazon Associates. Sign up and follow the simple steps. I suggest signing up after you've uploaded a couple of videos to your channel because they'll ask about your traffic source. Once accepted, most people are, you'll see your dashboard. Go to Tools, then click on Site Stripe. Make sure the display setting is enabled. Now, on any product page, you'll find the Site Stripe at the top. Click on Text to copy your affiliate link. On your dashboard, you can track how well the products you promote are doing. For this video, I'll choose a dog flea and tick spray because I think we can create great content about it. Step 4. Creating a landing page. Once we've picked a product, the next step is to create a landing page that guides people to our affiliate products. The easiest way is to use a site like lnk.bio, which is straightforward and free to start with. After signing up, customize your profile by adding your picture and name to match your YouTube channel. Then, click on Link to add the product name and paste the affiliate link you copied earlier from the site stripe. You can also include an image. Once done, save it. Now, on your lnk.bio page, you'll see your first product listed. Clicking on it redirects users to Amazon using your affiliate link. If someone buys through this link, you earn a commission. You can add as many products as you like. Next, copy your lnk.bio site link and paste it into your channel's bio. By now, you should have chosen your niche, set up your channel, selected your first affiliate product, and created your landing page. It's time to start creating content to promote our products, and I'll share some unique techniques with you along the way. Step 5. Creating content with InVideo AI. It all starts by signing up for InVideo AI, a tool that transforms your ideas into custom videos. But it doesn't stop there. We'll later combine InVideo AI with ChatGPT to create viral videos. With this tool, you can generate various types of videos by simply writing a prompt and clicking to create. For YouTube affiliates, we'll focus on short-form content, starting with a video about pet grooming tips since our channel is pet-focused. Using InVideo AI's YouTube Shorts workflow, describe your video and provide details for better results. I want to test its capabilities by giving a simple prompt, like a 30-second video on pet grooming tips. Choose background music, video language, and a narrator from multiple voiceover options. You can even clone your own voice, which is amazing. Add subtitles for more engagement and generate the video.
Attention, pet lovers! Let's make grooming fun and easy. Tired of fur everywhere? Use a damp rubber glove to pick up those loose hairs. Got a skittish pet? Try gentle brushing while they eat. And for those stinky paws, a little baking soda in warm water works wonders. Happy grooming, everyone! Your furry friend will thank you.
The results are impressive. I didn't expect such high quality from a simple prompt. You can further refine the video by editing the media, script, and music. Easily replace clips or adjust the script length using the search bar. You can also give text commands to change music or language with a single line. After editing, click Download to export your video. Step 6. Promoting affiliate products through content. Now, let's start creating content to promote our affiliate product. I'll also guide you on how to take this business to the next level by combining ChatGPT with InVideo AI. Here's what you need to do. Paste your product information into a Google Doc. Simply copy the title and description and save it as a PDF. Here's where the magic happens. Upload this product info into ChatGPT and use the prompt displayed on your screen. After generating the script, use another prompt provided to turn your script into a complete story. Each scene should match visuals. For instance, if your dog is scratching, visualize a dog looking uncomfortable. Now, create visuals for all scenes. You can find product clips on Amazon. Use InVideo AI to bring everything together. Select Script to Video from the workflows, paste your script, and customize background music and subtitles. After generating the video, click Edit and upload your created images. Replace existing clips with your own by matching them with related text. Repeat this for all clips. After downloading, you'll have an impressive video ready to go. Pro Tip. If you want to take this idea to the next level, here's what I would do inside Amazon Associates. You can sign up to promote products in different countries like Germany or Spain, and using InVideo AI you can turn your video into different languages, such as German language, Spanish, and more. This enables your videos to reach globally, producing a wide range of engagement and more possibilities of income through your affiliate product link. So now, you've learned the essential steps to start your YouTube affiliate marketing adventure, even without following the YouTube affiliate program. You have to choose your niche, set up your channel, use tools like InVideo AI for creating content and promoting affiliate products in your YouTube channel. Once you follow these steps, you have now a solid foundation to start. The journey ahead involves refining your content creation skills and optimizing your approach to maximize your channel's growth and affiliate revenue. Keep exploring new ideas and strategies. As we wrap up, I want to hear from all of you. Which niche are you most eager to dive into for your own YouTube channel? Share your unique thoughts in the comment section below. Your feedback fuels our content creation journey here at Profitability Plus. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more insightful tips on making money online. Until next time, keep innovating and maximizing your potential. See you in the next video.